Hi, welcome back to Cat and Lily. I'm Cat.
And I'm Lily.
And today, for our adventure, we have the super cool rock climber. So this is about $30 on Amazon. And this is the monster climbing car. So we are going to open it up and play with it and see if it is worth the $30 price point. So let's get started. I did pull out the remote and the 2 batteries so I could get it charged before we play with it today. But we have not taken any of the car out. So we will open it up and see it all put together. This is what our car looks like. And then our remote here, you can take this part off and switch it to the other side. So it depends on if you're left-handed or right-handed.
I'm right-handed.
You're right-handed? And then you have that goes forward and backwards.
I'm gonna test it out. Pretty well.
Okay, Lil, so now that we've had to play with our rock climber, what do you think? What did you like about it?
I liked how far the range was.
It went about 150 feet before it lost contact with it, and that was on a full battery. Let's see, battery life, it lasted about 8 to 10 minutes on a full battery. What else do you think about it?
I don't know, it's really fun to play with, especially if you're like my age.
We had a lot more success once we put it on the road out front. It was able to go pretty good when we played with it on the road and then climbing up the canal. So what do you think overall, Lil? 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. I'd probably give about 1 thumbs up. There's our review of the rock climber. If you like our review, go ahead and buy it. Suspension on it's pretty cool too. Thanks for joining us on Cat and Lily. I'm Cat.
And I'm Lily.
Bye-bye.
Bye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when we post a new video.